The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Toombs County, Georgia. Effective until 8:21 p.m., the National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Toombs County in southeastern Georgia until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Toombs Central, or 7 miles north of Plant Hatch, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Santa Claus, South Thompson, English Eddy, Center, Toombs Central, Ohoopee, New Branch, Ponderosa, Rock Springs, Cedar Crossing, Johnson Corner, and Gray's Landing. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466, or tweet us your report at NWSATLANDA.
It's okay.
When do you ever hear that voice? That's in that was back in 2002, and they're still using it for Georgia. That's crazy.